Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news from Microsoft. They just announced the release of their new AI-powered Copilot for Microsoft 365 apps and services. This Copilot is designed to assist people with generating documents, emails, presentations, and much more. It's like having your own personal assistant, but better. The Copilot, powered by GPT-4 from OpenAI, will sit alongside Microsoft 365 apps, much like an assistant, appearing in the sidebar as a chatbot that allows Office users to summon it to generate text in documents, create PowerPoint presentations based on Word documents, or even help use features like pivot tables in Excel. It works alongside you, embedded in the apps millions of people use every day: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more, said Microsoft 365 head Jared Spataro. Copilot is a whole new way of working. This Copilot can be summoned throughout Microsoft's Office apps and be used in Word to draft documents based on other files. The AI-generated text can then be freely edited and adapted. As Copilot is essentially a chatbot, you can even ask it to create a 10-slide PowerPoint presentation based on a Word document or analyze or format Excel data. That means Excel users can use Copilot to instantly create a SWOT analysis or a pivot table based on data. But wait, there's more. Copilot can also be used to provide information on an upcoming Microsoft Teams meeting, preparing people with updates on related projects, organizational changes like recent hires, and even updates on coworkers who might have returned from vacation. In Microsoft Teams, the Copilot feature can transcribe meetings, remind you of things you might have missed if you joined late, or even summarize action items throughout a meeting. Spataro was quick to note that Copilot won't always be correct, though. Sometimes Copilot will get it right, other times it will be usefully wrong, giving you an idea that's not perfect but still gives you a head start, said Spataro during Microsoft's AI event. So guys, what do you think of this new AI-powered Copilot? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting news and updates.